In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Typing Club. So the first thing you want to do is find Typing Club on PSDKey. It is the white one that says Typing Club Digital Literacy 6. You may have a different Typing Club from last year, but make sure you're using the correct one, which is Typing Club Digital Literacy 6. It is white. You click on it, and when you do, you should see Penn Ridge School District right here, and the only sign-in option is log in with Google, which you will click. So you choose your Google account for school. You already have account set up. What you will see is the dashboard of Typing Club and the home page of Typing Club. You will not have these circles on the right-hand side until you start practicing, but once you do, you need to pay attention to them. The most important one to you is the one in the middle. This particular one right here is the one that you are worried about. You do not have 30 minutes for the week until you have a check mark in the center of this wheel. If it says 30 minutes and there is no check mark, you actually don't have 30 minutes. You might have just under 30 minutes. So you have to do just a little bit more until you get the check mark. So an example of what that check mark looks like is right here. This is the daily goal that has already been reached for the day. So you should see a check mark in the center of that wheel for this one when you have reached 30 minutes. Right here is where you do your drills. So you just click on Start to practice and you move through these at your own pace. It is good to repeat often, especially keys that you have trouble with, which I will show you where to go for that shortly. So you just follow along and the software will tell you which finger to use. So you're going to type the F key with your left index finger. And you type the J key with your right index finger. And then when you're ready, you go on to the next drill and you practice what you see. Down here, you will see hands that show you exactly how you should be placing your fingers so that you understand that those hands don't actually move. The only thing that moves is the finger. So with each new letter, you will change which finger that you use. Now, at the top, there are some navigation options that you can see. Stats is a good place to go to find out what your problem keys are. So if I click on Stats, this will give me some information about my practice time and my speed overall. But if I scroll down a little bit, I can see speed and accuracy per character. The ones that you are good at the top are at the top, and the ones that you need to practice a little bit more are at the bottom. Now this can change all the time because sometimes you're better at one letter one week and not so great at it the other, but it's always good to repeat problem keys so that you get better at them. Badges are something that you can earn in Typing Club. There's lots of different ones that you can earn. You can see how to earn them when you look at them and strive to try to get them. During the first week of Typing Club, you will not be able to go beyond drill number 18. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and so on will not be open to you. It will not take you 30 minutes to do these 18 drills, so you're just going to keep repeating them over and over and over again until you have them fully mastered. One more reminder that the wheel that you want to pay attention to is in the middle on your home screen or the dashboard of Typing Club. You want to make sure you have a check mark in your center wheel by Sunday at 11:59 p.m.